Mission accomplished.
Fuck.
We got. What did we get, Julie? Show them. We got.
A fucking drink. Here.
Ooh, this feels good on my fingertips because it's so cold and my fingertips are burning.
So we got none of your business.
We got, yeah, sorry, the place just burned down as soon as we got it. But like, look, we'll show you. Like, we literally had to get evacuated because like the place burned down after they gave us the food. But bro, look what we got. Oh, it's so dark. Yes. Bro, like, if you were there, you would have, bro, like the fire truck, ambulance, they came so fast because of how bad the fire was after we burned. Yeah. After the place, like, we got the food and like the place burned down. So like I wish we could tell you, but like it's done. Like the store's done.
Shut the fuck up. Oh my god.
Oh shoot, yeah, I'm so happy. But yeah, we got some birria tacos from the place. Yo, like I wish I could tell you, but like the place burned down. But we'll do a little mukbang for you guys.
Okay, guys.
I wish I literally wish I could tell you what the store is. Right? But the store burned down, that's why. So like I wish I could tell you.
Yeah.
I wish, bro. And if this is really good, I'm gonna be sad because like I would want some more.
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, and they burned down as soon as we got the food.
Okay,
but we'll try it. We'll try it.
You know what I forgot? Oh, wait, it was tissue.
Yeah, you did forget because those are my tissue.
Oh. Okay, can you open mine up? So this is how I'm gonna turn my body. So we just finished climbing. I don't know why this guy want cucumbers. Okay, this one's
I can't open this.
Weak ass. Move.
Try.
What? Try what? Okay, so this
Alright,
is
go
my
first.
sauce.
Oh shoot! Not the toe flavored limes now.
Shut the fuck up! It's
All right.
toast.
Get the limes.
I got a lot of limes. Okay.
So we're gonna do. Get the
Can
limes.
you see? Can you see?
Oh, you show them the fruits. No. They can't see. They're like, it won't focus. All right, that's it.
Fudge.
All right, get the limes. Get your lime ready.
Okay, we're gonna get our limes. I'm gonna open mine up.
Okay, sure.
You gotta put it in there, or in there too is good.
Yeah. All right. Get the lime.
Hopefully, I have no cuts. Oh, we just sprayed it in mine. Why are you putting on mine?
Oh.
Oh.
I thought we were doing everything.
Okay, sure. Fine.
And then this goes in here. I have no idea what I'm doing, to be honest. Never had birria tacos.
Fine.
Like it's zesty.
Mine's good. You don't want your cucumbers here?
Yeah, eat those after. All right,
Add more
tissue,
lime.
please. I put 2. You put 2. And now we dig in. Actually, wait. We gotta show you how. Apparently, this is how you do it.
I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna add it in mine.
It looks like garlic or onion.
Because it is.
Flavored onions. All right.
Should have got you some.
Nah,
I don't know.
it's okay. They look like pickled.
Oh yeah. Okay. Time to try.
Go first. Go first. So you dip in. Eats. W eats. W eats. W eats. Or my turn.
I don't know if you like the cheese though. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you like the cheese though.
Yeah,
What are you
mozzarella.
looking at? Wait, what the fuck? You like it?
Mozzarella.
You like it? The cheese?
Yeah, it's like pizza cheese, right?
Mmm.
I'm gonna have to walk back for some more.
I can't finish 2. That's why I only got 1 just in case. Oh shit. One makes me full actually. Let's try just move here.
I'm gonna learn how to make birria tacos one day. Consensus? I like it.
Do that ASMR. Hey yo. Okay guys, and that's our mukbang.
No, you continue to eat. Bro, like I honestly wish like the store was still up, man. But I'll go back in this morning.
Too expensive.
Mm.
Excuse me.
After a good day of climbing, get good eats.
You like that?
Birria is soft. The meat is soft. Should definitely just come in to Toronto one day and just eat, go for foods. I've never been to Toronto just for foods. There's always a motive, like Kensington or something like that.
But foods, trying different foods is it, bro.
Yeah, I gotta learn how to make birria tacos. I heard it takes a while. It's just like brisket, and you gotta like steam it for a long time.
And then you just put the tortilla on the thing, let it get hot or fry it, and then they add like oil and stuff, and then they put the meat and the cheese.
If I was really hungry, maybe 3.
I'm tired. And I'm hungry.
No, I
You think
think
you'd eat more?
2 quesos and then maybe 1 small taco.
Yeah. Maybe 1.
Or
For
torta. It said torta.
what's
It said
wrong?
soft bun.
Let's talk about 'em.
I don't know.
Oh, fuck that. I got hella limes. Just your cucumber. Let me drench the rest of the limes on my last few bites.
Yo! Nah! What the fuck?
Sorry, that was my accent. Yo, don't get mad at me. It's just like fucking hot sauce. Relax. Like, holy shit.
I got my arm too. There's more, look.
Where?
On my pants. And then there's on my arm, see?
Not that serious. Where?
Right here, see that little wet thing? And then on this chair. Look.
Fucking my art to ass.
Look, right here.
It was an accident, bro. Relax.
Man, you missed one too, see? Okay, you missed one now.
Or squirt fucking lime in your eye.
Better than sauce.
What?
You're lucky I'm enjoying this.
Hell no!
You're lucky I'm enjoying this.
What?
This birria taco.
Yeah, you're lucky I fucking bought it for you. By yourself, bitch. Yeah, I said that.
I'm gonna keep that in there.
Go ahead.
These guys would love this food. My cousins. Remember? And they said, let's go to Taco Mora. No plans ever happen anymore.
There's no driver, that's why. Our bear needs to get a car.
Okay.
A lot of cheese.
Tissue. That was good.
Yeah.
Dang, took us 10 minutes. Dang, are you big?
You ate 2 so quick. I ate 1.
Are we big back for that? Hopefully this is not pickled. Should got some more low key.
What? It's good?
I can eat a whole cucumber, you know.
Like that?
I'll buy it if I have to. But slice it?
I need some like snacks when you watch.
I want more cucumbers now, bro. Those are good. You didn't get any more?
No.
Bro, my fat.
Really? Go get more.
Sorry.
Cheers, and then my Coke.
Some ice cream. Cheers. Wait, cheers me. Clink.
Ew.
Dang, your leg was stuck to that chair.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta clean up and then skedaddle. 10 o'clock. We should get some snackies.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know if I'm
Wait, I didn't even order the thing. Because I need my card.
I don't even know if I'm gonna eat some snackies. This was good for me.
But in 2
Maybe
hours?
like some candy, yeah. Maybe like some candy. Definitely get some eats, maybe after. Eats again. Movie takes what, 2
Should
hours?
we go after? Yeah. No, it's Inside Out is an hour and 40 minutes, yeah.
I'll round up 2 hours.
Then should we go to the 9:45 one? Maybe we could go like Sugar Marmalade.
No, we won't make that. Is there a 9 o'clock? Is there a 9 o'clock? I better start getting 9, 11.
Or should we just go to the 10?
Oh my god, Sugar Marmalade, bro. I was craving
But
that.
somebody took our spots. I don't know what to go sit.
Just get the aisle.
Wait, what?
Just get an aisle seat.
Wait, which one should we go to, Miss Saga?
Don't matter. Whichever one we can make it to here.
Can you cover these if you can? And then
This is done. This.
close it and then put it in here.
Read mine.
It's garbage.
All of it?
Yeah.
Not bad for 30 bucks. That was 30 bucks.
Yeah. I'm looking full from one though.
The one?
Yeah.
It's good then.
It's fat.
Yeah, it's pretty fat.
Holy shit.
Maybe we should have slowed down.
You got like 3 of my big burps in there.
As soon as I clicked the record button, fucking belched out a burp. Finish it.
What do you mean, ayo, bitch? Okay. Let's see.
Sanitize now. You want?
Should we just go to the 10:15 one?
Ah! How did it get through? Oh shoot, that butt through my thing.
Alright, let me see. You think we can make it to how far?
Is there a 9?
There's a
8 something?
9:45. There's
There's a 9. Where was that 9?
unless we watch it like Toronto. And then 20 9:45 Squirrel.
Ugh.
Richmond.
We're not getting thing anymore then.
What?
A sugar marmalade. If only there was a sugar marmalade here.
Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, they do. It does close.
12.
I think they have sugar marmalade at
1
North
a.m.
York.
North York. So we should go to a 9. We can drive there.
No, find one near. Let me find a movie theater near here. So we could go there now.
8:30, right?
What's this? Cineplex Audio.
Where's that?
Or should we find one near North York? Because North York is where the food spots are at.
This is one thing.
What?
The ice cream.
Okay, then let's see. Cineplex.
Is there one there? There was one on the on the highway.
Where is North York near? Closer to here, from here.
It shows. Going that way is farther. Going farther. You're going away from
No, I know. That's why I'm looking for North York.
I thought you were just gonna find a Cineplex here and we go there.
Okay, fine. Mitch. This one, that's Odeon. They're not same shit. British. Is this the same shit? So confused.
Alright. That's it. We'll get back to you later. Not like the other one.
What?
Alright guys,
Wait,
we
what's
are
the
at the camera.
Oh, okay.
We are at Sugar Marmalade, guys. We are here just for the ice cream.
I'm looking at chicken.
You getting chicken?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Right. Well, do you want me to share it?
Chicken? Sure.
Should I get the sauce on the side?
Just one.
Yeah.
We'll get back to you. We're ordering first. Just getting some. We've been here, but not at this location.
Yeah.
We are at
Same
Young
price.
Street in North York.
They have.
And I want ice cream. Been craving it.
Okay.
Alright guys,
Wait.
you just missed it.
Wait, if I like add music onto a regular video, won't it be copyrighted? Because it has to play on like Instagram music, right? No, just if I post it on the music plans, it'll be copyrighted, right? Yeah, right? Yeah. Okay, then, you know, how do we,
Remove it, I'll give you a bowl.
oh,
Yeah,
a bowl?
I'll still get you a 10% off.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's okay.
So I try to remove it, but it's gonna.
It's okay, I'll remove it, yeah. Don't
Sorry
worry,
about that.
it's okay. Like, I don't mind eating it. Let's try it though.
I just like it
Yeah,
with the thing.
I like it. No.
The sesame ball. I mean, do we have to pay for it? As long as you don't pay for it.
Oh, the
Pay
extra.
for the extra.
Yeah, because it's $2.
Yeah. She didn't say we have to pay, right? Alright guys, so this is what we got. This is matcha shaved ice, but we replaced, we asked to replace the red bean for extra pearl delight, and then we removed the matcha ice cream for regular vanilla ice cream.
You know, try mix vanilla and I'll try put this in here.
It's fine.
You can mix it and throw it over. I actually like the red bean though.
Yeah, it's super.
I don't mind. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Smell.
You can't turn it left or right.
Not my fault. It's not.
Epic fail. Dang.
It's overflowing. Okay, I'll just leave the rest. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yay.
Man, ice cream is for later.
You're right.
I'll give me this. Perfect.
For what?
My chicken. Yeah, perfect. Oh yeah, and then we got some Japanese style Korean chicken. Popcorn chicken, Japanese Korean.
I appreciate it.
Huh? Japanese Korean or Japanese popcorn chicken. This is the second mukbang. Bro, I need to edit my videos. I'll be lacking.
What? What? You want to know a trick? So, if you have a thin and a thick sauce, this is your trick. So if you do the thin sauce, the end of the thick one is gonna mix. So what you do is the thick sauce, then the thin sauce, and it doesn't like go in there.
If you ask me what she's talking about, I have no idea. Wait, that's how you explain it. You know what? Oh yeah, you're right. Vanilla ice cream with a touch of forearm chocolate. The classic.
Discovery, the ice cream doesn't melt.
Ennui. Oh yeah, we just finished watching Inside Out 2. If you ask me, it was alright. The ennui was pretty cool. He's speaking French. C'est mon ami.
Why is it gotta be French though?
Because
No one else has like a
I guess because
accent,
ennui
right?
is the word, and I guess it originates from France.
Why can't they name him something else? Wait, what's only?
Yeah, because it was like boredom, but like it wasn't boredom. I don't know how to explain it. That's why it's ennui. I guess boredom was too plain. Not the wasted condensed milk. Sorry. Really? So that means everyone could. Oh, this is definitely enough for me. Don't expect me to finish it.
Yeah, and don't expect me then, because I offered to share.
Yeah, that means it was yours to finish.
Rude.
Can't buy happiness, but you can buy dessert.
Where the fuck did you get that, huh?
What do you mean? All me. What? Is happiness dessert? Yeah, so Julie said when she walked into the store, one of the workers was like, "Yay!" Because
He's like, why did
there
you
was
pick up in
there was no worker or there was no customers in here.
Yeah, and then I looked in, I was like, what is he saying yay to? And then he's like,
I guess
and
they
then
were
the girl
excited.
was like,
Which one? Taking an order? Yeah.
anyway,
Oh yeah.
she's like, oh, are you the one that called? I was like, yeah.
Are you gonna what?
Yeah, are you the one that called?
All this. All this. It's not chicken, right? It's batter.
Okay, why are you giving it to me?
Maybe you wanted it. No, that's too big. Oh, yeah, we could tell you about this store though. Since we're eating here. Sugar marmalade.
What? What are you talking about?
Remember, because how we were eating our burrito tacos, but like we couldn't tell them the store name because it burned down. But like luckily like we're able to with this place because we're dining in, so like it's fine. Like the store's okay, okay. It's gonna be like a 40-minute vlog.
That's the last piece of chicken.
It's two. This is two. No, please. You get a head start without me?
I already did. They killed this shit, bro.
And because of the double. She added it, right?
I don't know if you're about that. Trying to get this more under. This is spelled. Like I couldn't even fit the condensed milk.
Bro, and we still got so much more condensed milk. Or evaporated milk.
Might be mixed. No, they gave us a big scoop of ice cream.
It's small.
Big. Because
Yeah, usually like the ice cream is like
small.
tiny,
And like
but I guess this one's big.
it's like less. No, they filled it for us.
You should switch.
Hmm? I'm not.
My left hand and your right.
Oh. Really? You want to?
I'm right-handed now, guys. Red bean without the sesame ball, not that much of a fan.
Right, good. I love red beans. I don't know why I do.
Maybe if you just mix it.
Like, it's like red bean ice cream.
Like the fish ice cream.
Mm-hmm. Fish?
The fish ice cream.
Red bean.
Yeah, it's a fish. Where's the delay?
They're softer. Huh? Barely
Small,
any.
right?
Okay, I want to taste it. Hopefully it's not even dried fruit.
Oh, I think that's why they didn't give us the extra. She just said she'll give us the.
10%. But I think it asked for extra. I mean, we're not going to remove the red beans. They just don't want to go away. That's her fault. Because I already said we were red beans. Okay. The other sugar marmalade blessing us a lot of red beans. I mean, brown rice. This one just has the shaved ice. At least they make it sweet though. Like
That's not bitter.
Yeah. You could barely taste the shaved ice.
The matcha, right?
Yeah. But I like that though because I don't like bitter.
We can make it even sweeter. This is matcha. But they put some of the matcha.
I guess.
I definitely didn't get the extra. I feel like every scoop I should be getting one.
I'm betting at yours. You're spinning it around. The chocolate isn't even sweet too. It's so coated in like sugar.
Maybe it's a cockroach. Maybe it's a cockroach.
Would you try that one, the mango shake ice? I don't.
I think we've tried it.
You don't like it? The purple light's not sweet. They thought they would.
You'll be surprised. You never know what they're very supportive.
Guys, I hit no purples today.
Well, she's talking about the times. Unfortunate. It's their third day climbing in a row.
Yeah, so I kind of have an
And
excuse.
she didn't even realize it until I told her, like, after, during our session.
Yeah, I didn't. Look, they have her light on it.
Dang, that's a loaded waffle.
That's actually a lot.
That's
I can't even like layer it by one layer. Like, who's finishing that?
That's ice cream.
We ate it anyways, the red bean. She's gonna be like, where's the red bean?
Oh,
No, you didn't look.
yeah, now.
We actually paid this. Wait, I just...
Imperial tacos from I wish the store, bro. They're down.
I wonder what store.
Those imperial tacos are so good. I'm gonna miss it though. I'm gonna miss it.
It's okay, maybe we'll open up our own.
I like so much nothing. Like, dude, bro.
Yeah, because you eat
Look,
out
if
and
you come
about.
back, if you come back here, just look at, like, I look orange compared to the white. It's not the lighting though, we got the same lighting too. Yeah, I don't know what she said, but don't listen to her.
Don't?
You know what that reminds me of?
What?
The scene from Karate Kid when the guy's still talking to the principal in the cafeteria, and then
Whatever you're saying is...
whatever he's saying, he's trying. What if he
I
was telling
actually
the
wonder
truth?
what he said.
Yeah,
you know what he
no,
said?
no, it doesn't show a thing. I don't want to finish this. Freaking might as well. Here, the last one. All yours.
Mm-mm. Oh yes, I'm eating the red bean.
But it's not getting in my cup.
Don't make me feel like that.
have to finish it. Might as well finish it. Let's go. Lock in.
You know, my friend is getting like a like from my list, and like that's expensive.
God dang, don't spit out the food, bro. Lock in, bro. Please.
No. I'm dying.
No, there's like 5 more scoops. Get your spoon right now. Get the spoon. Get the spoon. Get the scoop right now.
Look, the thing is, I'm barely getting any.
Yeah, but look, it's dwindling down. Whoa, man. Let's go.
We'll get the last one.
She will. She's sabotaging me. Look, what is this white thing? Is this chocolate?
That's like the bitter stuff in the shaker.
The last ball.
Get How much do you think it's gonna be?
Like 40.
Wait,
$40?
40? Okay.
$40. Chicken is what, like $20, and then the thing is like the ice cream was like $15.
I'm gonna say 25.
But it's so cheap.
Wait, no, not 25, sorry, 35.
Alright, let's rock paper scissors.
Oh, my shoe, you're taking my shoe.
Rock paper scissors. Best two.
He doesn't want to be, guys.
One. Bruh. Yo, it's 25 minutes, bro.
He's not paying,
can-
guys.
I can. I got credit. 3.5. Alright. This is 25 minutes. Bro, this could be a whole thing. Look, I have 23 minutes left.
Okay, bye.
This was a new card too. Yo. I gotta edit my videos. Alright guys, we done. We paid everything. That is the end.